Good evening everyone. Today we are going to showcase a very unique business model. Today everyone thinks this startups is only about service or a technology. But today we are going to present a very unique business model where product, manufacturing and technology has amalgamated and solving one of the India's biggest problem where we'll be seeing in the entire presentation today. So let us understand today what is the business model of Repos IoT. What we are doing in manufacturing, that is Internet of Things vehicle, how it is changing the face of energy distribution. So Repos IoT is one of the leading manufacturing company tied up with Tata Motors, where we are actually manufacturing the mobile petrol pump. We have seen the entire physical retail outlet, but now the physical retail outlet has manifested on the wheels itself. We have seen in our country where setting up a physical retail outlet or setting up of a physical petrol pump takes almost around years together and huge capital cost. But the Repos IoT has innovated a product where a mobile petrol pump or the petrol pump gets mounted on mobile, and that's how a mobile petrol pump has been manufactured. The business model is as simple as this. We manufacture this mobile petrol pump and enable the petrol pump owner or the DPIIT registered startup to be a part of this ecosystem who starts his new business by selling fuel through this mobile petrol pump. Now coming down to the scalability, we want to enter into multiple products. As we have started with diesel right now, I think the gas can be transported, the gas can be distributed in the remotest part, the CNG can be distributed, and when we are coming to this electric world, the entire physical infrastructure can be mounted on a wheels, and where a mobile electric pumps, a mobile gas pumps, a mobile diesel pump, a mobile petrol pump will be manufactured, and with a multiple products we can scale this up. The second scalability model is we have innovated a portable service station which we call as a diesel ATMs, where setting up of a petrol pump and a mobile petrol pump, both the together doesn't work out together. A physical portable service station or a diesel ATM has been set into one of the most remotest locations. The same thing can go with electric portable stations, same thing can go with CNG portable stations, same thing can go with portable different sources of energies. Now one of the most important part, the innovation part. What innovation we have created? It was very important for us to understand that we are into an explosive product. The products are going to be far more flammable when they are going to get transported. With the help of PESO, which is Petroleum Explosive Safety Organization, under their complete guidance, we have manufactured a complete mobile fuel station. And now this mobile fuel station require multiple innovation in that. So one of this innovation is setting up a double dispenser on it, several interlock mechanisms, a vehicle which gets operated, the power is getting transmitted from the engine itself, the ideal speed of engine. So there are multiple innovations which we have done on a mobile fuel station, making it compliant to all the PESO standards, making it compliant to all the RTO standards, making it compliant to all the weights and measure standards, and that's how the innovation has been happening. Second, when we talk about the stationary product, a huge petrol pump is again getting compacted and manufactured in just a meter by meter space, which is a diesel ATM altogether. So a huge infrastructure, we can say, getting manufactured in a small amount of a tank, which is a datum. That are two major innovations which we have done. The third innovation, we are working on the mobile CNG refueler. It's one of its kind, where CNG distribution in any part becomes a huge problem. The entire infrastructure has to be set. But now a mobile CNG stations can be mounted, same as what we have done with diesel. A CNG station will have cascade, a compressor, a DG set and a CNG dispenser. Now this CNG dispenser can stand in any of the crowded or any of the high availability of the vehicle, and it can start dispensing a CNG in that location. With this mobile petrol pump has got a very unique 3 patents on it, and these 3 patents actually makes it one of the most innovative product in the entire industry. When we talk about the social impact, very important part, these mobile petrol pumps are owned by a new age startups. These are the generation who are job seekers, but now by owning this business, they are going to be a job creators. So this mobile petrol pump is not only creating the job by starting a manufacturing unit, but this mobile petrol pump is actually making an individual an opportunist who is going to give the job, who is going to be a job creator in this future. The environmental benefit. When we look at the physical station, we find out there are a lot of inefficiencies which are carried. A large depot which is set up outside the city, a huge tanker fills there, come back to a petrol pump, refills or unloads the diesel into the petrol pump. A lot of vehicle will queue up and start filling those diesel from that retail outlet. But what a mobile petrol pump does, an efficient system where instead of consumer coming to a petrol pump goes to that. So it's a complete product innovation from a physical retail outlet to a mobile retail outlet, which saves a huge amount of carbon emissions, dead mileages, which the vehicles were going to come to a petrol pump. Now a petrol pump comes to the vehicles itself. Now coming back to the most important part, economy. As we have seen, India needs a lot of manufacturing startups. We are always dependent on service-based things. Repos has made a unique solution where Repos Energy becomes a service provider and Repos IoT becomes the product innovator. So with this unique combination, we have created a 1.5 lakh square feet of manufacturing unit, a world-class unit, where we compare this unit to one of the finest Tesla's factory, where a complete assembly unit has been set up. And today we are here sitting and proudly saying that we are world's highest manufacturer, the highest manufacturing capacity which any mobile petrol pump company should have. Now India or Repos, where we manufacture around 12 mobile petrol pumps in a day, which is 300 mobile petrol pumps in this factory are getting manufactured on an assembly line, which is providing a huge opportunity for the jobs. Second, we have replaced the land with the chassis. Now, when we talk about one of the most important aspect, the chassis, the different vendors, a complete ecosystem has been created through this, giving a huge impact towards an economy. I hope the entire business model is towards a lot of product innovation. We need to create a lot of Internet of Things product. When we say IoT, what is IoT in this? A complete technology is mounted on vehicles. A complete IoT controller is getting controlled through a cloud system where geofencing, where the mapping of the mobile petrol pump, the entire data, the OTP system, the fueling at the right asset is being done through this IoT controller. So this mobile petrol pump or mobile gas pump or mobile electric pump are going to be the future of energy distribution which our country is going to see. Thank you.